Good morning. Today we see the new ICT tool, that is TestMoose, to conduct online exam. It builds automatically graded test. It is a very fast and simple way to generate an online exam for students. Let us see one by one. Online mode of teaching learning evaluation. In that, if you want to prepare content for online lectures, presentation is preferred. If you want different digital platforms to deliver lectures, for that different softwares are also available: Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, OBC. Then for learning management systems to connect with students, Google Classroom, Edmodo and Moodle is there. Then various tools for conducting online exam for student assessment: Google Forms, Microsoft Forms, TestMoose and Kahoot software is available. YouTube is also used repository of educational videos and learning channels. Let us see TestMoose. It generates, it is also called test generator. It is very fast and simple way to generate an online exam for students. In that, you give the name of the test, then set passwords and ready to create. Different rules are there. Set that rules, add questions, which questions you require, add that questions and preview the test. Publish the test and share the URL, that link with your students. If you want, give the passcode to your students. Student can attempt the exam straight away. There is no need to require other whatever. View results and generate report in different ways. No registration for test takers. It is mobile friendly. Free version has limitations up to 50 questions and 100 results per test. How to use TestMoose? Whenever you click on that browser testmoose.com, then that window open. In that, go to build a test. Whenever you click on that build a test, that window open. Enter the test name, then choose a password and retype your password and create a test. Remember one thing, don't forget your password because that cannot reset or recover. So save it carefully. After creating that test, in that go to dashboard of TestMoose. In that, adjust setting, adjust question, publish and view results. These steps are there. In first one, adjust testing, change the test name. If you want to change the test name, change it or edit here. Then descriptions and what happens after the test is graded. You have to give that. In second one, add questions. You add the questions in questions bank. It is not much of a test if it doesn't have questions. Then last point is publish and distribute. Publish your test first and distribute it to your students and start collecting results. After publishing that, whenever students give the test, results will be displayed. Teachers go through that link and view that result. The basic settings of that. If you want to change the name here, you may change that. Test name is here. If you want to change the color of test, select any color. For question settings, always remember click on that randomize the order of questions during the test. Means whenever students give the exam or test, he may or she get shuffling questions. That option is here. Then review setting, in that at the end of the test you give the text for him, that is the conclusion text. Then tick on that show a custom message if the student passed or failed. If you want to send separate message for passed student and separate message to failed student, for that you click on that button. Then controlling the access, whenever who can take your test. There are 4 options are there. Anyone can give the test, or anyone who enter a passcode of my choosing, or anyone who enter a unique identifier, or anyone who enter an email address. If you select anyone, then no need to give passcode to students. He may directly enter using whatever URL link you are providing. Then if you tick on that anyone who enter a passcode, remember that passcode, or that is also called password, that is a case sensitive, and send that passcode and URL link that is generated after your test. Send that to your students to give the test. Then there is a limitations. If you want how much time do test taker have to complete the test, either unlimited or number of times he can attempt. And unlimited time is also if you want to set the time. Then types of questions in test moves. There are different types of questions are there. Either you have to type multiple choice, select multiple choice questions, true false are there, matching, fill in the blanks, essay writing is a short answers, long answers are also there. 6 different types of graded questions for auto grading and 6 ungraded questions for survey purpose. Some other options for premium use. 6 types are graded and ungraded are there. Then option for each question, whenever you type the question, that gives the options. If you want to give the marks, set that marks. If you want to duplicate that, duplicate for purpose, here plus sign is there. And if you want to edit or delete that whatever question, that delete option is also there. Matching type of questions, you select matching type of questions and select the answer also. Fill in the blanks, in that write down the question, and below that you write down the answer also. Option to add alternate answers, that is case sensitive. If you want to select case sensitive option, you select that, tick on that. And after typing all questions, that is limitation up to 50 questions, after that you go for preview and publish. If you want to edit something, then preview option is also there. By clicking that preview your test, that is after that the test for errors free will be generated, and then at the end publish. Click on that publish, means your test is available, it is ready to publish to students. After publishing, that URL link will be generated, testmoves.com/ whatever number will be there, that URL link If you select passcode, passcode is also there. Take that passcode and URL link to your students. They can take the test by using that URL link, and this will appear on the result page. Current status, in that it is open, close or schedule, in that you select any one. Access and published URL, whenever you give the URL link to your students, that is URL link, students, that window is open, student login or administration login. If you want to see the result of the test, teacher go from that administration login, and if you want to take the test or students can take the test, click on that students login. Whenever he click on that students login, he first enter his name and click on start button. As soon as he click on start button, test paper is generated. Give the test and submit that test. Whenever he submit the test, result after the test will appear on his board. Paper name, how much he scored, score is so displayed, and his name is also displayed. If the question, the answer is wrong, the incorrect answer is there, and which one is correct answer, that will tick on that. Then marks is also, score is also displayed here. If you want to view the result, teacher can go from admin login. At that time, he remember his password, which is case sensitive. By viewing the result, in that, login with URL and password to access the result. In that result, test taker means student's name is displayed, timing, score, and question with percentage. Which question is wrong answer? Question wise analysis will be generated, and you can export that result, or you maybe download that result. Exporting point grid, in that name, start date, timing, then percentage, then point on, point possible, and each questions how much marks he got. For your record, use that. Whenever you click on that test moves, click on build and test. As soon as click on build and test name is generated. Give the test name. Choose a password. Retype your password and create test. Before creating test, remember always don't forget your password. So click on that. That window open, dashboard. Directly go to setting. If you want to change the test name, you may edit that. Otherwise, select that AP test. Then if you want to display at the top of the test, instructions to students right here. Solve. After that, if you want to select the color, select any color out of these four. Then always by default, that is tick on randomize the order of the question during the test. Otherwise, you tick on that. Conclusion. That will display at the end of the test. Show a custom message if the student pass or fail. I already explained that. If you want to send different messages for pass student, the and separate message to fail student also. Pass students. Time student. At the end of the test, score, test outline, indicate if the response was correct or incorrect, display the correct answer, display the explanation that will generate it automatically. Access control, in that who can take your test, anyone who enter a passcode. Okay, that four options are there. If you click on that passcode, anyone who enter a passcode, write down the passcode here. Okay, if you want to set the timings for that, minutes timings, you set that timing one time. Okay, and save that. Whenever you set the setting, after that, that goes automatically to question. There are different type of questions. You can set either multiple, true or false, matching, okay, whatever. Is it true or false? You select that answer. If you want to give the grade, if you want to delete that, minus symbol is there. Again, for filling the blanks. Okay, after setting, go to publish button. If you want to preview that question from student login. Okay, two questions will be there admitted. Then again go back and publish that test. After publishing, URL link will be generated and passcode is also there. You send that URL link and passcode to your students to give the test. Okay, copy that link. If suppose I want whenever I enter from students login, that URL link is important, and for passcode is very important. Whenever he enter into that test, solve that test limit is also there, timing. Whenever he submit that, on the screen paper name is there, score, if he fail or pass, okay, that score will be there, and name of students and date of that. Okay, after logout, whenever you enter from that admin login, admin password, and go to result. In that result, name of student is there, then score of students, that will generate it. Question number 1 is correct and question number 2 is 0. Means score of histogram will be displayed, timing and date is also there. Thank you. Have a nice day.